For Performance Max advertisers, the wait is finally over. Google has finally rolled out campaign-level negative keywords for Performance Max campaigns. This is a feature advertisers have been eagerly anticipating since the launch of Performance Max, as previously, negative keywords were only available at the account level, sometimes requiring direct contact with a Google rep. This video will cover how to use this new feature and why it's such a game changer for your Performance Max strategy. How to add campaign level negative keywords. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to access and add these much needed negative keywords. Number 1. Navigate to your Performance Max campaign. Select the specific campaign you want to manage. Number 2. Go to Audiences, Keywords and Content in the left-hand navigation menu and find this section and click on it. 3. Check for the Keywords tab. The appearance of a Keywords tab within this section is the key indicator that your account now has access to this feature. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, it's still being rolled out. Number 4. Click on Keywords. Once you see the tab, click on it. Number 5. Add negative keywords. Click the blue plus button. You will see that the only option available in the drop-down is Add to Campaign. Asset group and account level settings for adding negatives are not available here. Number 6. Enter your keywords. Type in the negative keywords you want to exclude, just as you would for any other campaign type. All the usual match type restrictions for negative keywords still apply. Save. Once you've entered your desired negative keywords, click the Save button. This negative keywords will then be applied at the campaign level and will be visible with the campaign name indicated as campaign level. Important considerations and upcoming features. Here are some things to consider. Scope. Campaign level negative keywords for Performance Max apply to only search and shopping inventory. They will not affect where your ads show on display or YouTube. Account level negatives still apply. Remember that any negative keywords you have set at the account level will continue to function as they always have for search and shopping inventory across your entire account. Negative keyword list coming soon. Currently, negative keyword lists are not supported for Performance Max campaigns at the campaign level. This will be a significant time saver for advertisers managing many negative keywords. Increased keyword limit. Initially, Google announced a limit of 100 negative keywords per Performance Max campaign. However, due to advertiser feedback, this limit is being increased to 10,000 per campaign, aligning it with search campaigns. This change is expected to roll out soon. If you currently see a lower limit, it will eventually be updated. Why campaign level negative keywords are a big thing. The significant benefits of having campaign level negative keywords for Performance Max are greater control compared to regular search campaigns. This allows for better management and prevents Performance Max campaigns from potentially cannibalizing traffic from your more controlled search campaigns. If you have a preference for which campaign type should show for specific keywords, you can now enforce that with negative keywords in your PMax campaigns. Improved brand traffic management. Previously, managing brand traffic in PMax was challenging. Adding brand names as account level negatives was restrictive. Now you can exclude brand terms from specific PMax campaigns while still allowing them in dedicated brand search campaigns or other relevant PMax campaigns. This may even reduce the need for completely separate accounts just to manage brand terms. Enhanced control over product and service targeting. Advertisers can now prevent specific PMax campaigns from showing for search terms related to products or services that are intentionally advertised in other campaigns, including search and shopping campaigns. This allows for better segmentation and focused advertising. More control over messaging. By directing specific search queries to particular PMax or search campaigns using negative keywords, you gain more influence over the messaging users see for those queries. This allows for more tailored communication. Conclusion. The arrival of campaign level negative keywords for PMax is a significant and welcome update for advertisers. It addresses long standing concerns about control and allows for more strategic alignment between PMax and other campaigns. While there are still some limitations, such as the current lack of negative keyword list support, the upcoming increase in the keyword limit and the future addition of lists promise even greater flexibility. This update signals that Google is listening to advertiser feedback and is committed to making PMax a more controllable and effective platform. Make sure to check your accounts for the keyword tab and start leveraging this powerful new feature. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.